is your first time of coming across my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Please guys, make this channel popular. Today I will be teaching you how to make garden egg, and those are the ingredients. I'll show you one by one. Here I got the egg. I have one yam here. This is macrofish. I have 6 egg, 1 Maggi cube. And I have gizzard. I have crayfish. And I have 2 bottles of onions. And I have fresh 4 pepper. Here is curry powder, black pepper, rosemary. I have black pepper. I have no classical Maggi. So here are the ingredients we are using today. Now I will show you the pot in the fire. Okay guys, the water is boiled already. Now I will be putting the garden egg to parboil at least for 15 or 10 minutes. I make garden egg already in my video, garden egg and yam. Today I'm adding egg because I'm doing another video for garden egg and yam, but today I'm putting egg inside. Now I'll be putting pepper at least for right now. Okay guys, as you can see, everything is here already. I put the seasoning already, everything. So I have to leave this for at least 30 minutes to parboil. See you guys later. And my garden egg is here also as well. So see you later. Now I'm starting fresh with the fish. So in the next few minutes I will remove it. The gizzard is still there cooking. Very soon I will remove it from the pot and start frying it also. See you later. I start peeling the yam now. Okay guys, this is the oil I'm using to fry the egg. I'm not putting salt yet because I want to put the water of the gizzard. So later I will test it. If it's okay, I will not put any more. If it's not okay, then I can put more salt. So now I'll be adding onions. Allow the onion to be seasoned first. Then I'll add the egg now. Fish. Powder curry powder. I'm not using Maggi anymore because I use the Maggi first to boil the meat. So that is the water I will put into the got the egg. Now I will add the water. I will have a little bit taste. If it's okay, then if it is not, I will add a little bit margin. Now I have to, if I have a taste, I have to put the meat. Okay guys, I have to add egg now. The one I cooked last time, I did not put egg, but now today on I'm adding egg. This is the way I want it today. So got the egg all together. I have to leave it for the egg to, oh my, this is I'll add fish now. Tomato fish. This is my food now. I feel like eating it already. So fancy. Wow. This is lovely. Okay guys, this is outcoming of my food. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have subscribed before. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.